guys, welcome to my channel. Today let's learn HSK 2, Unit 14. 她买了不少衣服。她买了不少衣服。She has bought quite a few clothes. So first warm up, pictures, and number 1, 苹果，苹果. So it's a kind of fruit, right? So means apple and choose B, right? And next one, 车 car, 车 or vehicle. So choose A. Number 3, 衣服 So choose B. And number 4, 商店 that means shopping mall or shopping center. So choose F. Next one, 书店. So in these two phrases also we have two 店 here, right? And here 店 means that shop. So 商场, that's selling all kinds of things like clothes, food, so all things in the shopping mall. But 书店, 书 means that book. So bookstore. Bookstore. So choose E. And next one, 英语书 So choose C. English book. So the answers are D, A, B, F, E, C. So text 1. Number 1, in the dorm. 昨天上午你去哪儿了? So 昨天上午, right, we put in the beginning of the sentence. That means yesterday morning. And please remember this order of the sentence. It's very different from English sentence order. So, where did you go yesterday morning? 我去商店买东西了。So I went shopping. So 去 that means go. 商店 so I went to shopping mall to buy things. 你买什么了? What did you buy? 什么? So it's special question sentence, and we mentioned this 什么 special question phrase in the end of the sentence. We don't say that 什么你买了, right? So what did you buy? 我买了一点苹果. I bought some apples. 一点. So here, numeral major word. So a few, a little. 一点. 东西 thing, stuff, 苹果 apple. Number 2, in the company. 你看见张先生了吗? 看见了。他去学开车了。Have you seen Mr. Zhang? 你看见张先生了吗? So here, le is very important grammar again. And we will learn this one and I will explain you later. So have you seen Mr. Zhang? That means something happened or occurred. 看见了. So yes, he has gone to a driving lesson. 他去学开车了。他什么时候能回来? So when can he come back? 他什么时候? So subject and when here. 能 can 回来 come back. 40分钟后回来. So after 40 minutes. So new words, let's read twice, please. 看见 to see. 看见先生 Mr. Sir. 先生开 to drive. 开车 car. So 开车 that means to drive a car. 开车回来 to come back. 回来分钟 minute. 后 afterwards, later. So next one. Let's learn this grammar first. So le indicating a currency or completion. And le can be used at the end of sentence. Example, this one. 我去商店了 So I went to shopping mall. Here is past tense, but we can translate, so it's better to translate like I have I have been to shopping mall. I have been to shopping mall. 我去商店了 because she went to shopping mall and came back. 他去学开车了。他去学开车了。你买什么了 So what did you buy? What did you buy? Or what have you bought? So here, another one. So le can also be used between a verb and its object. So here, look at this table. Subject, verb, and le and object. So here, let's read this example. First, 她买了一点苹果. She has bought a few apples, right? She has bought a few apples. So there is usually modifier before the object modifier here. So, for example, number, measure, word, adjective, pronoun. 3. Here, this one first, number, measure, word, and then here, 不少, quite a few. 我买了不少衣服. I have bought quite a few clothes. Sorry, maybe I got up early this morning, so a little bit clear. I mean, it's hard to clear now. And here, 你看见了几个人? 你看见了几个人? So 几个 pronoun. How many persons or how many people? Okay, so text 3. Outside a store. Number 1. 王芳的衣服太漂亮了. Wang Fang's dress is so pretty. 是啊，她买了不少衣服. She has bought quite a few clothes. So look at new words first. 衣服 clothes. 衣服 clothes. 漂亮 beautiful, pretty. So that particle word, a modified particle used at the end of sentence as a sign of confirmation or defense. For example, 这都是什么啊? So what are they? 这都是什么啊? That indicate a defense, right? 你买什么了? What did you buy? 我没买。这些都是王芳的东西。So all these things are Wang Fang's stuff. 这些都是 so 都 all mentioned all. Here 少 means little, few. So 不少 quite a few, many. 这些 pronoun these. 这些 pronoun these. 都 both, all. So 都 both, all. Okay, adjective, adverb. Okay, this is all for today, and we learned that grammar about le and 3 texts, and so you need to review after this class, and we have only 1 unit left, right? So next time we'll learn that unit 15. And please give me a like. See you next time. Bye bye.